I'm Chuck Vickery. I am the Director of Operations at CJ's Machining in Anderson, South Carolina. We're a small CNC machine shop. We have approximately 20 machinists and operators. Currently, we manufacture in the pharmaceutical and the medical industry. We were transitioning from a job shop to a production facility. We were having some troubles with tool life management. CMT just basically walked in the door one day and the representative brought in a wealth of knowledge and experience. We were struggling with some of the materials. We were able to machine it, but not efficiently. With the knowledge that they had, brought in different types of tooling for us to use, brought in the manufacturer reps to help us, and has increased our tool life, just tremendously. With the knowledge they have, partnering with us, they're in here. It's not like call someone and we might be in a few days, that kind of thing. They're there, and it's just been helped us to become successful as we transition from doing job shop work into production.